Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, let me tell you, if you try to challenge the integrity of IELTS, if you try to get your IELTS done by unfair means, and if you try to buy IELTS certificates, or if you try to pay the money to get the answer keys before the exam, and then you think you can go through IELTS, you can pass this test, it's going to be just, you'll be daydreaming, huh? One of my students, I don't want to tell you about his name and country and all that. He appeared in IELTS, and what he did, he actually bought answer keys. Listening answer keys and reading answer keys. In paper delivered IELTS, sometimes with the help of test center administration, the answer keys are leaked. Then these answer keys are sold, okay, and they are sold very, very wisely. These people are very clever. They sell wisely. They see if a candidate is of 6 band, capability is 6 band, they will only give you correct answers which will bring you 6 band, and other answers are wrong, okay. So they are very clever like that. So one of the students, he appeared in IELTS, and then he got very good bench score in listening, very good bench score in reading. But his bench score in writing and speaking, that did not match with his bench score in other 2 modules. So when there is this disbalance of bench score in your actual IELTS result, like for example, listening 7, reading 7, speaking 4.5, writing 5, then automatically this result is highlighted and it goes into investigation. Now they investigated, and that investigation went on for around 4 to 8 weeks, okay, and then after that he got this letter, right, from the test center, and this student was banned for 3 years. Have you noticed one thing? He paid the money, he purchased answer keys. Now the people who sold him answer keys, they did not take any responsibility. They were not banned. They are happy. They continue to sell their products. Okay, but the candidate actually suffered, and he may have paid around 2 to 300,000, like almost equal to $1,000 to get the answer keys a night before exam. And now see what is the result. The result of this is, I just tell you, we are now writing to notify you that as a result of your behavior, you have also been banned from taking an IELTS test from, now they have given the ban for 3 years, from 2023 to 2026. See that? 3 years. Now just imagine if there is a student, he is going to be banned from taking the IELTS exam, and that ban is equal from British Council, IDP or any other partner, because this ban is imposed by Cambridge. So any exam conducting body cannot actually conduct his exam. So he's been banned for 3 years. So if you are a student and you have 3 years ban and you don't take IELTS test and waste your 3 years, after 3 years you will be a bit old for getting admission, because they say the study gap, there'll be a lot of study gap of 3 years. Then they say, if you attempt to take the test during this period after having received this notification, you will not receive a result and you will not be entitled to a refund of your test fee. It reminds me of a student, another student from another country. I don't want to name the country. He continued. He was banned by British Council, and then he just appeared in IELTS exam by IDP. At that time, British Council was active, right, everywhere. So when he appeared through IDP, they conducted his exam, but when it was the day to get the result, they sent him a letter like this, that you've been banned and all that, and the money is gone and all that, okay. To be entitled to a refund of your test fee, if you registered to an IELTS test before you received this notification, you may be entitled to a refund. 3 years ban, and there can be any reason. Now let me tell you, usually ban is caused by, or the ban is because of any unfair means that you use, or if you cheat in the exam, or if you misbehave with the invigilators, if you try to shout at them, if you try to bully invigilators or anything like that, okay, or if you continue writing even when the time is over and you don't let them grab your answer sheet, so all these things may lead to a 3-year ban. 3 years when you are applying, when you're taking IELTS test and there is 3-year gap. Now this candidate cannot go for IELTS, but he's got another option, and that is PTE. Okay, because IELTS and PTE, these are two different bodies. So if someone is banned by IELTS, that person can appear in PTE, but you need to see if PTE is accepted by the country you're going to apply for. So definitely this depends on that. So all the best, guys. If you use anything or if you end up getting anything like this, do let me know about it, okay? And I'll not name you, I'll not tell about your demographics or country and all that, and I'll make a video to warn others not to do that. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. I'm going to visit Nepal very soon, and I'm going to be in Georgia. So if you're from Nepal or Georgia and you want to see me there, you can see when you are watching this video, right? I'm planning to go there in July 2024. So if you're watching this video later than July 2024, then it is ignore it. Otherwise, if you're watching it now, so you may contact me and I'll tell you about my plans in Nepal and in Georgia. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.